If you want to create your own theme on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to Settings. In the settings we can go to Personalize, and then over here we have Themes. Now I have already created my own theme, but you can press this plus button over here in the top right corner in order to create your own one. And then we have the option to choose a wallpaper that we wish to use for our theme. So let's say I'm gonna choose this blue wallpaper over here. Then we can go to font in order to choose the font that we wish to use while having this this theme set up. Go to color in order to choose the default color for the system menus, etc. And icon shape. We can change the icon shape as well. So let's say I'm gonna choose a circle. And at the top, of course, we can set up the name of our theme. Once you are done, press save, and the theme should be immediately applied. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!